The bloodletting gripping the country in the past few months continues, with gunmen going on a rampage in Kingston and St. James in the past 24 hours.
During that period, 11 people were shot, 5 fatally, and the police are now warning that if murders continue at the rate it is, 2017 could be the bloodiest year on record.
We'll give you the details on that pronouncement later, but before that, TVJ's Vashon Brown gives the details on events which made Wednesday night one of the bloodiest in recent times.
It's been a busy couple of hours for the police in St. James and Kingston. 11 people shot, 5 fatally, all in one night. In St. James specifically, 6 people were shot, 2 fatally, when gunmen opened fire in Providence Heights. The 2 dead have been identified as 24-year-old O'Neill Gibbs, a construction worker, and a 25-year-old carpenter Tevin Campbell. Reports from the Coral Gardens police are that about 8:20 p.m., Mr. Gibbs and Mr. Campbell were standing at a shop when 2 men, each dressed in a black hoodie, entered the establishment and opened gunfire, hitting them. They were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. The others were admitted in stable condition. The mothers of the deceased men say their sons were good citizens.
Tevin no trouble nobody. I don't know if Tevin and nobody up here not argue nothing at all. Tevin and everybody up here friend. Everybody friend, see all my neighbors, everybody friend. Tevin, I don't know. A cigarette Tevin go by. Tevin caught up in the shooting.
I didn't expect this. When I hear saying get shot, I figure more or less I go past it, I'll go see. I wait for him to come in yard. When I reach out to me saying dead, I'll know me in a disbelief. Because I don't know if they talk to people that's then just going to kill it so. I don't know where this they come from. I just have to tell myself that in that the wrong place at the wrong time.
One resident says she's tired of the continuous killing in the community and wants something to be done.
Right now, I feel say we need justice, and the only justice I see we're going to stop them killing here is hanging. And I feel say hanging to come in because I be a young picnic, I take up guns, supposed to hear the shot them, I'll picnic in the lane, I play picnic with none of we can't picnic them, can't come out complain on at all now, you know. And for know, so we innocent, we have a picnic them innocent and dead there. I can't take that something no more, I can't take it no more.
Hours later in Kingston, people rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital as news spread that 2 vendors were shot and killed in the Coronation Market. They've been identified as 34-year-old Dane McDonald and 54-year-old Sonia Bennett. A man was also shot and injured. Persons reported hearing explosions shortly before 10 o'clock and called the police. When the police arrived, Miss Barrett, Mr. McDonald and the other man were seen with gunshot wounds. They were taken to hospital, where the 2 died and the other man admitted in stable condition. The other incident in Kingston took place at Metcalf Street, Denham Town, in which a man was killed and another injured. The police say 2 suspects have been held in relation to the 2 separate shooting incidents in West Kingston. One of the suspects is from the Golden Heights community and the other from Denham Town. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.